Hi sa lahat, magandang gabi. Just a quick Learn Tagalog video responding to Salamat. What to say or how would you respond if someone said thank you? Una, if you wanna say you're welcome, walang anuman, walang anuman, walang anuman. Walang anuman. Thank you. Salamat. You're welcome. Walang anuman. Second one, this one, I tend to use this with people I know or friends. If someone said thank you or salamat, you can either say you're welcome or walang anuman, or you can also say wala yun, wala yun, wala yun. That is, if you mean to say, or in English, that would be the equivalent of that's nothing or no big deal. That's nothing. Wala yun. No big deal. Wala yun. Wala yun. Wala yun. Wala yun. Kumusta ka na? Okay naman. Thank you for helping me yesterday. Wala yun. Yan lang para ngayong gabi. Good night na. Bye!